West Bengal, a state in eastern India, is a land of diverse landscapes. From the towering Himalayas in the north to the Bay of Bengal in the south, the state is a microcosm of India's geographical diversity. The Ganges River, known as the Hooghly in West Bengal, flows through the state, nurturing its fertile plains. This makes West Bengal a land of plenty, famous for its agriculture and rich culture. The state's location and physical features play a crucial role in shaping its weather patterns. West Bengal's proximity to the Bay of Bengal makes it a humid tropical region. The Himalayas in the north act as a barrier, influencing the monsoon winds. These winds bring heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. The Gangetic Plains experience hot summers and mild winters. Understanding these geographical influences is vital to comprehending West Bengal's weather patterns. Weather maps are like puzzles revealing the secrets of the atmosphere. They are visual representations of weather conditions over a specific area. Meteorologists use various symbols and colors to depict different weather elements. These elements include temperature, air pressure, wind speed, and precipitation. Lines called isobars connect areas with the same air pressure. Areas with closely spaced isobars indicate strong winds. Symbols represent different types of precipitation, like rain, snow, or hail. By analyzing these maps, meteorologists can predict future weather conditions. They help us prepare for storms, heat waves, or other extreme weather events. West Bengal experiences distinct seasons, each with its unique weather patterns. Summer in West Bengal is hot and humid. Temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius. The heat is often oppressive, making life uncomfortable. Monsoon arrives in late June, bringing much-needed relief from the scorching heat. Heavy rains lash the state, transforming the landscape into a vibrant green. Winters in West Bengal are mild and pleasant. Temperatures range from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. The skies are clear and the air is crisp. The season is ideal for outdoor activities and festivals. Spring, a short transitional period, brings warm days and cool nights. Weather patterns significantly impact the lives of the people of West Bengal. Agriculture, the backbone of the state's economy, is heavily dependent on the monsoon rains. A good monsoon means a bountiful harvest, ensuring food security. However, excessive rainfall can lead to floods, damaging crops and displacing communities. The people of West Bengal have adapted their lifestyles to cope with these weather patterns. Traditional houses are designed to withstand heavy rainfall and provide ventilation during the hot summer months. Communities have developed early warning systems for floods and cyclones, minimizing the impact of these natural disasters.